Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. So I've actually just come back from the gym and realised that I have no delicious plant-based milk in my fridge. So I'm ready for my breakfast and I want something tasty, a nice plant-based milk without all the dairy in it that I can have for my light breakfast today. And I have decided to make, well, I raided my cupboard and I found two ingredients, and that is some oats. So I've got some organic rolled oats here, and then I've also got some pecan nuts or pecans. Depending on where you live in the world, it will be pronounced a little bit differently. So combining those, they're two of my favorite ingredients. They're just a really nice, creamy, buttery mix, and it tastes absolutely amazing. And I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make it creamy and delicious and not horrible, slimy or watery like some homemade plant-based milks can sometimes taste. So let's get into the recipe. So first of all, I'm going to take 1 cup of the oats, and I'm not measuring this absolutely precisely, just a rough cup of oats. That bag's going to tip over, and then put them into a blender. I'm not going to soak them because that just makes it watery and horrible. And then 1/4 of a cup of the pecan nuts or pecans. They're going in. And then I'm going to add 3 cups of water. And you can add more or less water depending on the consistency that you like. If you just put 2 cups of water, it'll make it nice and thick and creamy. Or if you want to add 4 or 5 cups, you'll just have more of the oat milk, and yeah, it'll go a bit further, but it will taste a little bit more watery. Now here, if you want to flavour this up, you could add a little dash of vanilla, you could add a date to sweeten it up, or just a dash of salt, but I like to leave it just like this, and then I can use it in savoury dishes or for sweet things such as oatmeal in the morning, or if I'm making some sweet waffles, that type of thing, I can then just use that, or I can use it in a savoury waffle or pancakes, or to make a cheesy sauce, whatever it is. It gives you that flexibility to have sweet or savoury. Okay, so then just put the lid on and then give this a quick blend up for about 30 seconds or so. Okay, so this is done. That's how quick it is. It's much quicker than going to the shops. Alright, so I'm going to use the same container that I had because it's got a nice little pouring spout. And I've got this nut milk bag. It's a nice stretchy one. It has elastic across the top, and I really like to use that. It's just really easy to use. And I like to turn it inside out with the seam, the sewn seam to the outside, because it just makes it a little bit easier for the pulp not to get stuck in the bag. Basically, it's much easier to clean. I'm just going to do a little bit straight into this jar. Just take out the blade. Okay. I'll just pour some of this straight in and just separate the pulp from that lovely, creamy, delicious milk. And you can see that's already coming out nicely. And then you can make as much of this as you like, just to last for the next 2 or 3 days, and keep it in the fridge. Pour it into a nice glass bottle and you'll have fresh, delicious plant-based milk that's super creamy and delicious, and it's ready to go, and you've made it yourself. So just give it a twist up and then just gently squeeze that, and then all of that delicious plant milk will just come out. And if you want to use the pulp that's left over, use it in your baking muffins with it, or like I said earlier, make some waffles. Absolutely delicious. So delicious, fresh, plant-based milk ready to go in just minutes. So if you like this recipe idea and you want some more ideas on what to cook for your weekly meals, then why not check out my Meal Prep Made Easy course. It actually goes through a simple mix and match meal planner that I use to plan all of my recipes, and I even use it when I create my cookbooks or full recipes of meals. I just use that mix and match planner. It makes it really, really easy, and thousands of people are using this Meal Plan Made Easy course already, and it's saving time and money. You don't throw out all of the groceries that you've bought for the week. I give you lots and lots of tips on how to use everything up and how to use it quickly and efficiently, and no oil. It's no oil cooking. Plus, it's really flexible too. If you're cooking for a family where you might have fussy eaters, you might be cooking for children, or you might have a partner that's not into eating plant-based or doesn't want to eat that way and they're still eating meat-based dishes, etc. I'll show you how to easily cook for those people as well, because I go through the same thing. I have a meat eater in my house and I have a child as well who's a fussy eater, so I need to get meals out quick, easy, and in a simple way. That's the way I always cook, and I'd love to share my course with you. So if you do want to check that out, have a look at the link in the description below, and I hope you give this beautiful oat milk a try. And with the pecans, it's absolutely buttery and delicious, really, really yum. So give it a try, use it for yourself, and maybe send me some photos on Instagram or join the Facebook group and post some photos in there. I'd love to hear from you, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now.